The Kira Home Marina has over 85 customer reviews and a 4.8 star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Marina is gorgeous, easy to install, and creates beautiful light patterns. The Kira Home Marina is perfect to install in a bathroom over a mirror, above a makeup vanity, or over a gallery wall. This sleek light comes in a polished brushed nickel finish. The brushed nickel finish is metal plated and not painted or powder coated, meaning it won't rust or degrade over time when installed in damp locations like bathrooms. The body of the Marina has been designed to be simple and minimalistic. This allows the unique patterns of the clear, handmade hammered glass shades to be the main focal point of the fixture. The hammered glass shades provide ample light output when using any type of bulb and create beautiful, awe-striking patterns that are sure to leave an impression on anyone that looks at it. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Marina is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Marina Light is UL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon marketspace. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. This is simply a tactic to cut a corner and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.